Multiple weather warnings remain in place throughout Wednesday as Scotland continues to feel the effects of Storm Bram. 3 yellow weather warnings for wind are active until this evening, covering the Shetland Islands, central Scotland, Tayside and Fife, Grampian and further south, including Edinburgh and Glasgow. The Met Office has said affected areas could see very strong winds and disruption, with a risk of flying debris, building damage, power outages, and delays or cancellations to transport. The amber warning for wind in northwest Scotland expired this morning at 3 AM. A section of the M74, the main motorway which links Scotland to England, is currently closed southbound after reports of overturned lorries blowing throughout the storm. And a map by the National Grid showed power cuts affecting areas of West Wales, southwest England and the Midlands.